Yes, guys, out here in the forest, doing a little bit of tactical shooting and stuff. The rain is falling. This is a very lovely forest of Ireland. Fitzmanston Forest. Very gorgeous out here. The rain is falling a bit, but as you can see, yeah, the sun is shining, eh? So I'm just on my journey back home. I'm gonna see if I can get some blueberries and stuff. Yes, guys. We got some berries here on the tree. I'm gonna start harvest these guys. Yeah, very beautiful. These berries actually grow wild out here in the forest. These are super fruits, guys. You're in Ireland or any other country where these grow, you know them. You understand? Yeah, guys. So yes, guys, we are out here going back home. This is Ireland, guys. So beautiful, too beautiful. Very majestic country. Lot of wildlife. Yes, guys. I will see you again, guys. Yes, guys. Love. Peace out.